Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how does Clash work, what are the drops and how you can send and purchase them. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Clash app, and then you can see that purple colorful thing there, and if you click on that you can send to that creator 25 drops, 50 drops or 100 drops. Alright, but what are those? If you see there at the top of the screen on this video, there are 150 drops. So and you can see at the bottom that from Clash, when you register, you will get 200 drops. And by accident, but I've sent 50 drops to that person, so you can see your activity there, and it says that send drops. Purchased and gifted drops help support creators and can be redeemed for cash. So this is how you can make money in this platform. So if you want to learn more, there is that option, learn more, and then is the using drops on Clash. All you need to know about purchasing, sending, receiving and redeeming drops on Clash: how to purchase drops, how to send drops to your favorite creators, are drops reversible, how to redeem drops, so a lot of things. And if you click one of those, then there is this little text, and you can read it. But the main thing is that you can send drops, you can get drops, and after an amount you can redeem that for cash. So there is that drops shop icon, and you can see the most popular options, like 500 drops for $6 and so on. So if you want that, you have to click on that, then purchase. And I think that you should add a credit or debit card or something with you will pay. All right, and you can see the get paid option, and it said to apply to redeem you must have earned 2,500 or more drops. Keep participating in the Clash community to earn more drops, then come back and try again. So after that you can redeem for those drops for cash. So this is a great way to earn money if you are a creator. And so this is the main core how Clash app works. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.